Hello, YouTube. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, it's been a minute. I'm back. I hope you missed me. Sorry I've been gone so long. We've been going through some life issues, but we good. We working out some things, man. If you haven't seen me make a video, it's because I haven't had a vehicle. But we kind of changed that. I still have the G, but the G won't be around for a while. I still got to get a motor for that. But in the meantime, I had to get something that was just going, give me something to do. So my new car is, I give you a couple seconds to think about it. Leave a comment. 3, 2, 1. Nah, I know. But I don't care. I like the damn thing. I like the car, okay? Subaru Legacy 2.5 NA. Yeah, man. And there's a few reasons I got the car. 1, good gas mileage. 2, like I said, I like the car. And then there's that thing. You feel me? Yeah, 3 pedals. So yeah, she is manual. Yeah, so today I already got some toys. I already got my first toy. So today we're gonna be installing this Cosmo intake. Ooh, this thing is hot. Been sitting in the trunk. Yikes. Yeah. But yeah, Cosmo intake. We can install that now. So come on, let's have some fun. Let's do it. So real quick, before we get to installing, I want to give you a quick before and after of what she sounds like. I keep saying she doesn't have a name yet. So if y'all want to help me come up with a name for my Subi, my kids calling her Bluey right now. And I'm cool with that. But yeah, let's see what she sounds like. So, I forgot that I disconnected the terminal. So
you're fired.
Let's plug that up first and then see what she sounds like, okay? Now we shouldn't have no issues. I don't know what that first crank was about, but yeah, that's what she sounds like, stock. Nothing major going on. So without further ado, let's get to the install, man. Let's have some fun. All right, guys, so we have managed to get the entire air box out. There it is. Mask right there. They said I was gonna need a longer hose, so I already went to AutoZone and bought a hose. So on to phase 2, installing the Cosmo racing intake, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, the intake is in, sensors in, everything's all plugged up, buttoned up. Okay, stop the tape for a second. Yes, I saw it, you saw it, we all saw it. Everything wasn't buttoned up. I lied. But just to let you know, I did connect that wire before I started the car. She still threw codes. It is what it is. Peace. Back to the movie. Everything else out. Cosmo in. So I'm gonna give it 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna give it a crank, see what she sounds like. Good morning, chat. So I said chat. That's when you know you've been on TikTok too long. Good morning, my YouTube family. So last night we kind of ran into technical difficulties. I started the car and she threw codes at me. She didn't like any of it. So I looked on the video, and as the guy had said, you're supposed to let the car sit for a minute before you even turn the car back on. So that's what I did. But I had missed a step. The step that I missed was when you put your battery terminal back on the car, you're still supposed to let it sit for another 20 to 30 minutes. Again, I missed a step. So what I did last night, I put the terminal back on and I went to sleep. I went to bed. I woke up this morning, I cranked the car, absolutely no problems. So there she is, she's in. About to give it a couple revs so we can see what she sounds like. You feel me? Cosmo Racing Intake, take 1, let's do it. All right, y'all. First drive. Cosmo Racing Intake. See what she sound like on the inside. Seatbelts, everyone. You know, I don't use these glasses often enough. But yeah, I think I'd give y'all a indoor, you know, a cabin sound. Definitely sounds a little bit deeper. Sounds a little bit angrier. Yeah, we need gas. Y'all see that? We're gonna go get some gas, y'all. Go get some gas. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go, y'all. Little cockpit sound. Y'all can hear what she sound like on the inside. Yeah, Cosmo Racing. You can hear it every time you tap it too. I don't know if it's picking it up. Y'all hear that? Yeah, I like that. But yeah, that's what she sounds like, man. So shout out Cosmo Racing. Shout out my man Subi Doo who put me on. Talk to y'all later. Peace. So guys, there you have it. Cosmo Racing intake install on my Subaru Legacy. First of many videos to come. Like I said earlier, I didn't forget about my G. It's just that I got so much so much going on. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And we're not even gonna talk about that. We're not even gonna talk about that. I've been doing some things, okay? Life issues been happening, and that's where we at right now. So I appreciate y'all checking in. I hope you like, share, subscribe to the video. All my followers who have stayed and who haven't left, I appreciate y'all. We're gonna get the ball rolling. Yes, I'm still in North Carolina. So anybody out this way, we in sweet, good old Zebulon, North Carolina, man. So come hang out, party. Catch me at Cars and Coffee, Mooresville on a weekend. And until next time, peace.